Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video here for you. Thank you Butch for sending me that photo. I was able to overlay. Let me pull this guy up real quick. Bring that up over the top. Bring that in. So this is the photograph that you sent me. What I did is I scaled it to the starburst the most recent one that I got from Tim, and it lines up really good. There's a few things that we'll need questions on. You can see this black line here represents this black line right there. The perimeter of I call this purplish pink layer. This is the warm floor layer. This is the first one we're going to put down. This guy is the actual perimeter of the cabinetry. So you can see here, there's 6 inches from this brown layer to there, and that represents that's the outer face of the cabinet. You can see the knee space that's opened up down underneath here, and that knee space area is what we have underneath here. So we're going to need to know what tiles are going on in this area down here. We have there's a few missing tiles. We can either stop them where they have them stopped on the photograph, or we continue those through. Like I said, this highlighted yellow area now, which is black, this is what I have for my layout. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing tiles there that we can modify, but that's where they called out for those guys. So we'll need to get those questions answered. We've got all these small tiles down underneath here that I will identify for Anthony, but we're going to need to know what color those guys are. Some of these I can project, like this red one will go to there, but then I don't know what it is up in there. This tan one to there, and so on. I can work my way in with a good portion of those, but we'll have to determine some of the other colors. Also, these guys, I don't know if this was intentional that the grain goes through these tiles, or if they're just the same color next to each other randomly. So the other thing that I wanted to show, this is more for Butch and for Chris, is this highlighted turquoise line here. This represents the outer edge, and so Chris gave me the information for the offset of his router jig. So this green layer here is going to have a this will be the offset that you gave me for the bushing that's on your router, and accounting for the grout line too also. So you can just the idea is that you lay your router on top of this piece once it's set in place, and then travel around here and remove all of this material on the interior here. So this whole inside area of the turquoise is going to go away. There's a few areas where I'm going to take some of this green guy. This guy's going to travel in here. So there's going to be a piece that's going to be added on there, here, right in here. And I think there was one maybe here. But anyway, I'll put a jigsaw puzzle piece or a dog bone in those areas where I need to extend, like this guy right here. So we'll have an individual piece that can just be snapped down in place. Once again, these guys, let's go back to the 3D view. These green connector rods, these are for alignment. So this green layer will be put down on top of the hardwood, aligned off of the gold layer that is being aligned by those 1/4-inch pins that go in there. So this upper layer is going to be exactly where it needs to be, and then these connecting rods are going to connect and align this perimeter green layer that's going to have this detail cut. But anyway, so the reason I wanted to show that was that this is the area that I'm going to offset this line so that Chris's bushing goes around the inside there. So once again, if you need a screenshot of that, I can send that over to you, but I think we should get some questions answered in here, what these tiles are going to be. And did these stop here, or did they come all the way out to here as they were drawn? All right. Hopefully that's helpful. Talk to you guys soon.